Astronomers spot asteroid bigger than the Empire State Building that they say could crash into the Earth. A peanut-shaped asteroid larger than the Empire State Building could one day hit Earth, NASA has warned. The space rock, known as 2015 BN 509, came close to Earth last week when it flew past at 44,000 miles per hour, 70,500 kilometers. At its closest approach, it came just 14 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. NASA has labeled the asteroid, which about 200 meters, 660 feet, wide by 400 meters, 1,310 feet, long, as potentially hazardous. For comparison, the Empire State Building is 381 meters, 1,250 feet, tall. The asteroid was caught flying close range by a giant radio telescope called the Arecibo Observatory. Dr. Edgar Rivera Valentin, a planetary scientist with the university's Space Research Association who studies data from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, told the Business Insider. The peanut shape comes from the fact that it is a contact binary, where the two parts of asteroids could not successfully orbit each other and fell back together. 1 in 6 asteroids can be classed as contact binary objects, according to Dr. Rivera Valentin. Dr. Rivera Valentin recording the activity of asteroids such as 2015 BN 509 can tell us more about the likelihood of an object hitting Earth. He said, "Arecibo goes beyond acting as a fortune teller. We can characterize these objects. We can study their size, shape, spin state, composition, and near-surface geology. An asteroid impact, unlike other natural catastrophes, can actually be avoided. The data from Arecibo can be used by NASA to inform a planetary defense mission." NASA set up a planetary defense department to tackle threats posed by near-Earth objects, NEOs, last year. Each year, roughly 1,500 NEOs are identified, and NASA has already identified more than 90% of NEOs larger than 1 kilometer. The U.S. Space Agency has now proposed building an infrared space telescope called NEOCAM to help locate more NEOs. The NEOCAM project is working to identify activities that could be done this year that would reduce the technical, schedule, and cost risk of a future mission, said David Scher, the deputy director of NASA's Planetary Science Program.